Good morning, guys, here at Climbworks in Gatlinburg, Tennessee.
Hello.
We are the 8:40 a.m. tour. Yesterday, Legacy Ziplines would not allow GoPros for an incident that happened, but Climbworks is still allowing them, so hopefully we get some cool footage today. Climbworks even has these lock boxes where you can put your stuff in them. Check out all the gear they have here. You ready, buddy?
Yeah, I'm ready.
What do you think about Legacy Zipline?
I liked it.
Rate it out of a 10.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be the best in Tennessee.
It's an 8.
It's an 8? All right, hopefully this one's better.
This is how you tip your guide.
Strapping up. Yep.
You guys all excited?
It's go time. Yeah, we're very excited.
Yeah? Awesome.
You excited?
Yep.
Perfect. All right, we're gonna get going.
About to see what Climbworks is about.
Hold on, everyone. All right, it does take us a few minutes to get to the top of the mountain, and I'll point a few things out as we go, but let me know if you have any questions on the whole way.
Alrighty. Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
We're here. Pretty excited. Let's go, dude.
So us guides, we're doing a couple different jobs for y'all today. Me and Avery, we're what's known as your receiver guides, which means we're gonna zip all the lines first, get to the other side, and get set up with the brakes we're operating for y'all today. But before you get to us, you need Kaylee.
Alright guys, so I will by default be your favorite guide today. I'm going to be hanging out with you guys on this side. I'm going to be the ones clipping you up and then sending you down the line to these guys. I do have one really important rule that I will have everyone follow. There's going to be a gate up there, so it's going to be a platform just like this, and there's going to be a gate leading out to the open part of that platform. Please, please, please do not touch that gate today. I want to make sure that everyone is clipped up before you come through. Otherwise, I might have to kick you off the course immediately. It'll be really easy because you're not attached. All right? So just let me handle that today, and then we'll have fun. All right?
Yeah, buddy. First zip done. What'd you think? Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
They all had a blast. Sweet. Zip number 2.
Awesome. All right, man. Here, I'll scoot it closer to you. There we go. All right.
It's going to be a toss-up between who is better, Legacy Ziplines or Climbworks. We'll see.
Climbworks so far.
Climbworks so far.
Awesome.
Zipline number 3. Here we go.
All right, and then I'm gonna get. All right, you ready?
3, 2,
1, go!
All right, there you go, man. Yeah, I can do it.
Alright guys.
She got stuck.
Huh?
She got stuck.
Did she?
Yeah. I had my arms out. I was falling.
Were you not supposed to?
No, she told me to.
Oh.
We're gonna teach you guys a new riding position. This one's called the upside down.
No.
Alright. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So you know those handlebars you've been holding on to this whole time? To go upside down, you're gonna forget about them. Instead, y'all are gonna be holding on to that green rope that's attached to the D-ring on your belly button. Y'all see that?
Yep.
Perfect. Those are gonna be your new handlebars.
Wait, the green?
So, go upside down. It's really similar to that ball up. It's just a little more of a commitment. So, whenever you hop
This
off,
one's better.
help up here. You're gonna be holding on to that green rope. You can pull up your knees just like that ball up, and then you're gonna lean a little further back, point your toes up, and boom, you're upside down. You can let go of that green rope, let your hands fly free. From here, we got a couple pre-approved riding positions for you. You can do the Spider-Man, shoot some webs, fight some crime. It's also getting a little hot out here, guys. If you want to air it all out, this is the Tennessee AC. One thing we do not want to see is the pencil, guys. This one will erase your ankles. Doesn't smell very good, so just try and keep your ankles away from the line, all right? Once you're all done going upside down, blood rush to your head and you're ready to be right side up. It's really easy. All you gotta do is point your feet towards the ground, and boom, your harness once you sitting right side up, so you guys don't have to worry about getting stuck upside down. It's never happened before. It won't happen to you, all right? So,
Mama, let it go
good talk,
upside.
guys.
You gonna go upside down, buddy?
Mine's broken.
Probably check on blue and green.
Over your head, yeah.
Sipping Maverick and Anthony.
You don't have to. You don't have to.
All right, you guys are all set to go. Yep, you're all good. Go upside down.
Pull your feet up. Yeah, dude. Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Oh, you're good.
See? You guys ready?
Yep.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay.
What are you doing? Just hanging out?
Yeah. I got stuck, guys. Here, bears. That's my favorite part.
Huh?
I like getting stuck.
Do you? You can let go if you want. You don't have to hold on.
Woo! Overpriced real estate. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. We were going to go to Ober Mountain after this. Last time we went there, that concrete slide was under construction and we couldn't do it. Maverick just said he doesn't want to go there, so it looks like we're going to go spend the afternoon at the pool.
We're gonna film for you guys.
And we'll have to show them that indoor pool, huh? All right.
Zip away, Maverick, make sure to ball up.
All right, dude. You guys are good to go.
Go.
Woo!
Look at Maverick.
Awesome.
You coming? All right.
Oh, he made it.
Good job, buddy.
Dad, good?
All right, dude. You guys are good to go.
Gonna sit down.
Go.
Woo!
That was our last zip. This is a 10 out of 10 for father and son. Climeworks is much better than Legacy. What do you think? Do you have more fun here or at Legacy?
Yeah, way funner.
Yeah, they have double zips throughout the whole course, so you get to be side by side the whole time. All right, guys, that wraps it up for the Climeworks. Legacy was a lot of fun. Climework really suited me and Maverick because we got to do side by side.
Upside down.
We got to go upside down. We were side by side the whole time. I didn't have to sit back and let him go individually or me go ahead of him so he could tandem with someone else. So this is definitely better for a father or mother with their young child. You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.